Hi guys, today I'll show you a very easy pattern for this star applique, which you can use as an ornament on its own, add to your gift wrapping, add by sewing it on to any other project like a blanket or a toy. For example, you can do what I've done here and sew a star instead of a heart in this little mitten ornament that I have available on my website, or for anything else you would like to make. So with that, let's get started. You'll need your crochet hook. I am using a size 3 crochet hook and my sheet piece Katona yarn, which is fingering weight. And then you will also need a pair of scissors and a darning needle for your ends. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is grab your yarn and your hook and do a magic circle. So wrap your yarn around your fingers, creating an X on the underside. Place your hook under the first string of yarn, but hook it through that second one and pull it through the first one. And then you'll have one loop on your hook. And then again, you'll go over the first one, but then try and hook through that second piece of yarn. And now you'll have 2 loops on your hook, and you want to use that second one to go under the first one, like so. And there you are, you have your magic ring. So now you will chain 1 and you will place 10 single crochet stitches inside the magic circle. And I'm using US terminology here, so if you're following UK terms, then this is the stitch that you know as the double crochet. And check out the pattern as it's written out in the description box for the right terms. So to do a single crochet in US terminology within a magic circle, all you need to do is take your hook, go under your magic circle, yarn over, pull it through the magic circle. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And then you have your first single crochet. So you need to repeat that for a total of 10 times. So you have 10 single crochets within your magic circle. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I'll meet you back once we've done this step. So here I have 10 single crochet stitches inside my magic circle. And what I will do now is I will take this little string of yarn and pull it so that I can close the magic circle. Like so. I'm giving it a nice tug as well. And what we will do now is go into that first single crochet and slip stitch into it. Make sure you pick up both pieces of yarn there. So slip stitch into that. And then chain 1. And in that same stitch, what you will do is you will place a single crochet like this. In the next stitch, you will do a double crochet. And in the same stitch, you will also place a treble crochet. So for those of you who don't know what the treble crochet is, it's very similar to the double crochet. You just wrap your yarn around 2 times. You go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 only, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 remaining loops. And at this point, we will chain 2, and we'll place a single crochet in that first chain that we made, like this. And now you'll go back to that same stitch where you have placed your double crochet in your treble and place another double crochet there. In the next stitch, you will now do a single crochet, like so. And you will repeat this pattern all around your piece. So let's do this once more. Yarn over, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first double crochet stitch. And now we have a treble, so we yarn over twice, go through that same stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2, chain 2, go to that first chain, place a single crochet, and then in the same stitch where you placed your treble and your double, do another double. And then we will do a single crochet stitch. So you will repeat this another 3 times, and for the last one you will only need to do the double, treble, chain 2, single crochet and double, because we have started with a single crochet. So go ahead and repeat that along your little circle here, and I will meet you right at the end so we do the last stitch together. So here we are. I have made 4 little stars here, or star sides, I guess, and I've done my single crochet here. So in the last remaining stitch I will put another little star edge or angle by doing a double crochet, a treble, chaining 2, placing a single crochet stitch in the first chain, and then doing another double crochet stitch in that same stitch. Let me get some yarn. And then we don't need to do another single crochet right after this, because we started with one right here. So all we will need to do is slip stitch into that first single crochet stitch, which is this one. And if you're having trouble identifying it, it's easy, because you can look at your peak here and you know this is your treble and this is your double, so this will be your single crochet stitch. So all you need to do is slip stitch into there like so, do a chain 1 to secure your yarn, and here you have a beautiful little star, which you can block if you want, and of course you should also weave in your ends, which I will do momentarily. So here's our little star with all the ends weaved in. Again, this is a very pretty little applique pattern. You can use it as a decoration if you want to upcycle a t-shirt or a pair of jeans, or you can just use it as a plain decoration for Christmas. For example, I have made this pattern of a Christmas mitten ornament. Instead of a heart or a snowflake, you could put a little star on it. I think it will look pretty cute. Or you can add it to other crochet projects you're working on, scarves or blankets, and create a scene like a midnight or night sky scene, for example. So I hope you enjoyed this and found it useful, and happy crochet!